Welcome to another video. Right now, in today's tutorials, we are going to learn how to factorize this. Okay, all right. So this one is behaving like difference of cubes. Okay, now when we're given s cube minus b cube is the same as x minus b, then we have x squared, okay, plus the product of the two, xb plus the square of this b squared. So this one is called difference of cubes. All right, so can we rewrite this one as that? Now let's see how we can reduce this. Okay, now we want to get a common power here. So 27 is the same as 3 to the power 3. 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27. Then we have a to the power 3, and we can write b as, now when you're given a to the power n all raised m, the same as a to the power mn or nm. Okay, so we can write this one as b, okay, 2 times 3. Okay, so 2 3 6 minus, so let's do same to this. 8 is the same as 2. All right, so from here we can write this one as 3 a b squared or cube, okay, minus 2c or cube. So we now have this one as x and this one as b. All right, so from here we can write this one as 3 a b squared minus 2c. Okay, after that the first one squared, this one squared will be 3ab squared or squared plus the product of the two, 2c times 3ab squared and plus 2c squared. All right, so that's that. So the final answer here will be 3ab squared minus 2c. So this side squared is 9 a squared b to the power 4 plus this time that will be 236 a b squared c plus this one squared will be 4c squared. All right, so that is the expansion. All right, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. All right.